Good morning, and what a fine morning it appears to be. I've not uploaded for a while. There's nothing of any interest going on really. It's just dead trees coming down and hedges, but it's a bit of a garden tidy up. Got the little Hansa chipper and the Honda mower. Just got to shape that so it's not over the driveway. Cut this grass. Trim up this hedge. Take some of this away so it's not interfering with the property so much, and then round the same out the back here. Get all this tidied up. Dead birch is coming out. We're just going to cut back the grass, a few of the sort of self-set saplings. I've said I'm not going to bother weeding the borders because the property is going to be rented out, and a lot of the time you find people don't keep on top of that anyway, so whatever is in here is staying in here. It's just a tidy up as opposed to make it into a show garden. But yeah, we'll get rid of that tree a bit later. Well, that's it done. Trimmed off the door, cleared the weeds from the, well, it's not a patio. Trees down, put some chip on the borders because it's full of cat shit. Yeah, that's about it for the back really. Same at the front, just clear it from the window. Hedge is done, grass is done. And yeah, covered in sweat, so time to go home, get a shower.